आइसक्रीम बनानी है या चिप्स बनाने हैं?
The fact that technology offers an opportunity to solve for a few things is a great opportunity, but that does not mean that we will not want to do. First thing I'm very proud of is that we in India are talking startups mainstream, and this is being talked about by you guys and our government and our entrepreneurs. Because earlier, many of us would do some things would not even get talked about. So first and foremost, I think this is truly an acknowledgement of our Honorable Prime Minister's Startup India and Digital India mission, that there are companies and this is a mainstream talk. First. Secondly, there is no doubt about it. I mean, India should build, and why would we not build? And there are companies that are building AI startups or space startups and those deep tech startups. And the best part is that what we are building today may be the opportunity of today, what we are seeing, but the companies which have resources are building for the long term. So not just the deep tech, but also the today's requirement. The fact that technology offers an opportunity to solve for a few things is a great opportunity, but that does not mean that we will not want to do, like AI or a semiconductor opportunity, and you're seeing the investments in that also.
दूसरी तरफ सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ग्रोथ हो रही है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद की अपने देश की बन रही है लोगों की. दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग हेविली टू बिकम सेल्फ रिलायंट, building chips, AI models, which will prepare the nation for the future. भारत ने क्या करना है? आइसक्रीम बनानी है या चिप्स बनाने हैं? अमन गुप्ता, शार्क टैंक में जरा चेंज करो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स को.
India has got investors, India has got customer, India has got momentum. I really want more India capital, and I have to give it to our regulators in SEBI that they allowed a lot of Indian startup to list, and that is the best. And as you are seeing, the startups are coming back to India, is another acknowledgement that being an Indian and being listed in India is the coveted space for startups. So that is where the trick is, that India is not only doing the correct things, it is also attracting the companies of ours who were outside. So you read that in newspaper all the time. So I'd say that no doubt about it, what happened in the past is a lesson. What is happening in future and what is happening in now is our opportunity, and this is very clear that India has got investors, India has got customer, India has got momentum, and India has got startups.
और ये इतना ही मैं इन्वेस्टर्स को भी कह रहा हूं, अमन गुप्ता, शार्क टैंक में जरा चेंज करो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स को.